For today, let's try to expand the third expression. Before we move on, we need to remember a minus b to the square is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we need to use that identity to expand the bracket. So 5 root 6 squared plus 2 times by 5 root 6 times by minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4 root 3 to the squared. Try to simplify more, we get 25 times by root 6 to the square. And we have to look into the numbers. Multiply them, we get minus 40. So minus 40 root 6 times by 3 plus 16 times by root 3 to the squared. Then the expression turns into 25 times by 6 minus 40 root 18 plus 16 times by 3. So multiply those, we get 150 minus 40 root 18 plus 48. So simplify the like terms, we get 198 minus 40 root 18. But can you recognize that we have to simplify the root 18 more? Root 18 turn into root 9 times by 2, which is 3 root 2. So we need to replace that into 3 root 2. So by replacing it, we get this expression. So try to simplify once again. We get 198 minus 120 root 2. So this is the answer for today's question. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.